Hey everybody, Don here again. So it is Friday, August 5th. Last night at about 7:30, Karen and I were standing here under the porch watching the storm roll in, and the trees were just blowing, and it was violent winds. Got so bad that Karen said, let's get back in the house. And just as we were turning around to go back in the house, I hear this big crash. Let me show you what happened. As I ran up the stairs to check it out, I knew it was not going to be good. And this is what we were looking at right here. Power lines down. Two big giant trees. Clip the porch. Let's go outside. Oh, can't go that way. So walk around here and check this out. That is a huge poplar tree and a big hemlock covering about 75% of our backyard. The power company did show up last night. But the cable and the telephone lines and the other lines are all down. Look at that. Looks like it just clipped the top of the porch. You know, I can see some flashing showing, but nothing structural. But you're not gonna believe this. Well, hey, Bodie, you coming through the debris? Hello, Pop. Hey, everybody. Buddy, there's Bodie. Yeah. What do you think of all this? Look at this. I mean, this tree came uprooted. These two trees, I should say. This is the area we call Pride Rock. And now I'm really concerned about this pine tree. That's a big pine, because here's the roots on that big pine, and they went right under the roots of this giant poplar. But I'm gonna have a busy weekend getting this cleaned up. I don't know what the insurance will cover. Maybe they'll cover tree removal, but I don't know that for a fact. I'll be on the phone this morning. But I'm concerned. You can see these roots from this pine tree now are just sitting there hanging out. We get another storm like that, and this big giant pine might be finding its way to the house, and next time we won't be so lucky. We were very blessed last night. A foot or two farther this way, and that would have taken the porch right down. And thankfully we had a generator, so between the time this all happened and the time the power guys showed up around midnight, at least we had power. Although a generator makes a lot of noise when you're trying to sleep. There wasn't much sleep going on last night. So now I gotta call the tree service guys, because I don't dare take down that pine in this close proximity to the house. So yeah, a little excitement around the old Bucktails homestead. I don't think I'll get much fishing in this weekend, as you can see why. See you next time. Peace.